update is coming from the US FDA, where the US FDA has finally given permit to marketing the device which will be used in the treatment of the diabetic foot ulcer. That device is named as Dreama Space. This Dreama Space is intentionally made for the diabetic foot ulcer patient. Dreama Space system will be intended to be used for the chronic non-thickness diabetic foot ulcer, and mind you that particular wound, or we can say that diabetic foot ulcer has should not be more larger than the 16 centimeter square. It will extended via your epidermis, dermis, tendon or the capsulated, but there should not be any bone exposure. This Dreama Space system is this is an external shock wave system which will be just act like a sound wave, where it use the pulses as energies and help to treat the diabetic foot ulcer. This system will use in patient with 22 years and above. Than that, the foot ulcer of the diabetes should be more than the 30 days in a patient. So this is really nice updates. Let's see what will be the more updates on this in upcoming days. Another update is coming from the US FDA, where the US FDA has finally given the approval for treatment of lower blood pressure, that is dangerously lower blood pressure, which is also known as shock. This particular drug named as the Gipreza, which will be the angiotensin second group drug. This will given intravenous infusion form to increase the blood pressure or to maintain the blood pressure. Now this has been given for the shock. Before going to the shock, I want to tell you what is the blood pressure. Now blood pressure is the pressure which will be given by the blood to the arterial walls after the blood will be pushed out from the heart. Now hypotension is the condition which will be where the blood pressure will be the lower than the normal level, that is the 120 by 80 mmHg. Now 120, that upper is the systolic, and 80, the lower numerator, is the diastolic blood pressure. The below than this, if the blood pressure goes, it is the hypotension. In the shock condition, where the blood pressure go below than that the particular level, and it fails to provide the blood to the organs like the brain, kidneys and many other body organs. So in such cases, this particular drug, which is named as the Gipreza, will show the efficacy as per the trial which they have been seen, where the 321 people has been enrolled, or can say the patient has been enrolled on that. This is the randomized controlled trial, where they have observed that the patient with the Gipreza has improved very nicely with the shock rather than the other medicine, and also they have compared with the placebo. Another update is coming from the World Health Organization, where the World Health Organization finally kept gaming disorder into the ICD-11 classification. ICD is the international classification disease, where 10 is already going now, 11 is coming on, where they will put the beta draft of the gaming disorder into the international classification disease into the 11th edition, that is ICD-11. So let's see how it will come, what will be its different diagnostic parameter, and what will be the treatment will be given. This they have given into the mental and health illness as a gaming disorder. Let's see what will be the more updates on this in upcoming days. Another update is coming from the ICMR, that is the Indian Council of Medical Research, where they will enhance the research on the hepatitis. As the hepatitis cases are increasing day by day, they decided to put the research on the hepatitis, where the physician, pharmacist and nurses can take the participation, where they will see the strengthen in the many monitoring parameters of the hepatitis and more survival, how to increase the more survival case with the hepatitis patients. So this is really nice. Let's see what will be the more updates on this in upcoming days. Another update is coming from the Sun Pharma, where the Sun Pharma will get inspector from the FDA very soon at the Halo sites. So let's see what will be the more updates, what will be the results, because the FDA is the concerned body who will do the inspection. And Sun Pharma is not only in India, it is the Indian multinational company which is having the worldwide right now, and right now number one also in the India. So guys, thank you so much for watching this episode and all the other episodes like Human Health and Disease and interview with the Kabindra Karna. Both the episode will come on the time from this week onwards. We are planning to time because of the lack of time. I was unable to shoot the many episode and many personal issues are there, so unable to get the times and all because of the internship. So finally we are trying to put all the things on the time, and all the viewers who are watching these episodes, we're really thankful to them for giving their valuable time and watching these episodes. Thank you so much guys. Have a great night. Take care, sweet dream, and namaste.